Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not syncing on Gmail. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will scrolling down until you find Gmail here. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.